Are you looking for an efficient way to convert your Excel contacts into a vCard file? Welcome to WholeClear Excel to VCF Converter. You can effortlessly export your Excel contacts into the VCF format. This intuitive tool makes the conversion process smooth and fast, even for large Excel files. Features of WholeClear Excel to VCF Converter. Load even large Excel files effortlessly. Seamlessly convert Excel contacts to VCF vCard format. Map Excel fields with the corresponding vCard fields. Transfer your converted contacts to Android phones with ease. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you convert Excel contacts and save them as a vCard file. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear Excel to VCF Converter tool on your device. Step 2. Browse and select the Excel file, XLS or XLSX, that contains your contacts using the Browse button. Step 3. Choose a destination path where you want to save the VCF file. Step 4. Click on the Convert Now button to begin the conversion process. This will export all your Excel contacts into the VCF format without any hassle. By following these steps, you can quickly and securely save your Excel contacts as vCard files. With this tool, you'll avoid any trouble during the conversion and can access your contacts in the universal vCard format, ready to be transferred to any device. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.